When you retire, everyone talks about financial planning, where you're going to travel, and what you're going to do with your free time. But nobody warns you about Monday morning. You wake up, you don't have a commute, and you stand in front of a closet packed with 30 years of professional armor, realizing you have absolutely nothing to wear for your actual life. Retirement brings a massive identity shift, and your wardrobe can either anchor you to the past or free you up for the future. Today, we're building the ultimate retirement capsule wardrobe. We're talking 25 versatile, high-quality pieces that will make you look effortlessly pulled together for coffee dates, travel, volunteering, or just relaxing at home, all with zero morning stress. And remember, don't get hung up on the 25 pieces. If you have more than that in each category, that's okay. This is just a guide. The biggest obstacle to a retirement capsule isn't buying new clothes. It's the emotional weight of your career clothes. That tailored suit represents status, your hard work, and your identity. Letting go can feel scary, but your clothes need to serve your current daily routine. If your week no longer involves boardrooms, these suits are just taking up emotional and physical real estate. So, step one is a great purge. I want you to divide your wardrobe into 3 categories. Number 1, the keeps, the chameleons, the high-quality blazer that looks great with jeans, the silk blouses that layer easily, and the well-fitting trousers that are actually comfortable. The archives, those are 1 or 2 sentimental professional pieces or formal outfits for special events. Box them up and move them out of your prime closet space. Number 3, the donations. Stiff suits, uncomfortable heels, and any corporate branded gear. Let them go so someone else can ace their next interview in them. Now that your closet has breathing room, let's talk about the formula for your new daily uniform. A retirement capsule thrives on the concept called elevated casual. It's soft, breathable fabrics like linen, cotton, knitwear, and stretch denim, but cut in classic tailored silhouettes. So here's the exact breakdown of the 25 pieces you need. And again, if you go over, that's totally okay. So first of all, we'd have 8 tops. So 3 premium t-shirts, like Pima cotton, something really soft and luxurious. 2 linen or chambray button-downs, 2 high-quality knit sweaters, and 1 elegant silk or satin blouse. You want 6 bottoms, 2 pairs of dark wash stretch denim, straight or wide leg, 2 pairs of tailored pull-on trousers, 2 pairs of casual shorts or midi skirts, and then we'd want 4 layering pieces or outerwear. So an unstructured knit blazer or cardigan, a denim or utility jacket, a classic trench coat, or a packable rain layer, and 1 cozy wrapper shawl. And obviously, if you're in Canada, you need some big parka as well. You need 2 dresses, 1 casual t-shirt, linen shirt dress, and then an elevated midi dress for dinners out. And we need 5 pairs of shoes. 1 pair of chic leather sneakers, 1 pair of supportive loafers or flats, 1 pair of walking sandals, 1 pair of low block heels or ankle boots, and a pair of slip-on house shoes. So notice how these pieces interact. In your working years, a blazer meant high stakes. In retirement, you take that same knit blazer, pair it with a premium white tee, some dark denim, and suddenly you look incredibly stylish, but you feel like you're wearing pajamas. That is the magic of elevated casual. Since in most cases you already have all of these pieces, you really don't need to shop. But if you ever find that you do, keep these rules in mind. Number 1, prioritize the one motion closure. If pants pinch when you sit down to read, or a top requires a complicated back zipper that you can't reach easily, don't buy it or don't keep it. Look for elastic back waistbands, pull-on styles, and soft stretches that move with you. Rule 2, focus on textures over trends. When your color palette is simple, like navies, creams, olives, tans, you mix and match effortlessly. Rule 3, invest in your footwear. Retirement means more walking, traveling, gardening, and your shoes are the foundation of your capsule. Your closet should be a reflection of your freedom, not a reminder of your old schedule. When you pare down to a wardrobe that fits perfectly, washes easily, and makes you feel confident, you reclaim your mornings. You stop spending energy on what to wear, so you can spend your energy on how you're going to enjoy your day. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more organizing and style tips. Thanks for popping in.